This is the paint we're going to be using, exterior satin paint, Sherwin-Williams Latitude, and I'm going to be painting this trim around these windows and front of the house. Okay, now I'm going to give you a few more tips about painting exterior, particularly vinyl. One, I'm going to start on this side because as you can see, the sun is not facing the side. You should never be painting directly in the sun. So I'm choosing to work on this side of the house where it's out of the sun and it can dry properly. That's one thing. Another thing I did was box my paint. Boxing paint is very important when it comes to custom colors. As you can see, I got 2 gallons of this Kirsch red, which is a Sherwin-Williams color. And the reason why I boxed them is because even though they're the same color, because they're 2 different cans and 2 different batches, if I cover a surface with that and then come back a few days later and touch it up with that, it's gonna flash because it's gonna appear to have 2 different colors. So to prevent that is you mix all your paint together. Make sure you buy enough paint, mix them together, and now after I mix that together, I can put them back in a single. Now I know I have one solid uniform color, and I can come back and touch up anytime I want and do a second coat and not have to worry about any flashing. So that's another tip. Another thing you go make sure is that you make sure you wash your surface. Make sure it's good and clean, and that'll make sure that the paint adheres to your surface.